Magandang araw po mga kapartner sa Uni1. This is a way of promoting Uni1 sa saliw ng awiting Suddenly na sa halagang 168 pesos lang. Meron ka na negosyo. Biruin mo, 168. Earn up to 335,000 per month. I used to think that love was just a fairy tale until that first love, until that first night. But if I had to do it all again, I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause this love is everlasting. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. The beauty of above, and things we never take notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Ooh, yeah. Girl, you're everything a man could want and more. 1,000 words are not enough to say what I feel inside. Holding hands as we walk along the shore. Never felt like this before. Now you're all I'm living for. Suddenly, life has new meaning to me. The beauty of above, and things we never take notice of. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Each day I pray this love affair would last forever. Ooh, suddenly, life has new meaning to me. The beauty of above, and things we never take notice of. You wake up, suddenly you're in love. At sa saliw ng awiting yan, naka Uni1 po, sa halagang 168 pesos lang, meron ka ng extra income up to business. Bakit? Nasa inyo po yung paraan at kayang-kaya nyong gawin. Nasa halagang 168 pesos, magkaroon kayo ng extra income na up to 3,350 pesos hanggang 335,000 per month. At yan po, ang gagawin nyo lang yung dati nyong ginagawa. Kayo lang po ay bibili at ikaw naman ay kikita. Magandang araw po mga partners. August po, isang consumer sa Uni1. Magandang araw po.